A major key point of sushi is a superb combination of fresh toppings and well-processed sushi rice. The rice and vinegar mixer ASM 780 is a perfect machine to prepare delicious sushi rice and mixed rice. The ASM 780 mixes cooked rice and sushi vinegar in a cradle-like motion, thoroughly spreads and mellows the vinegar, and finishes the mixed rice by air blowing and cooling down to the suitable temperature. Transferring the mixed rice is done automatically when a rice box is set in place. All the procedures are automatic. ASM 780 makes perfect sushi rice for you. First, apply Autex to the directed parts. Turn on the power switch. Select the operation course by pressing one of the course keys. The machine can hold up to 4 different operation courses. Choose one of them. Put newly cooked rice into the drum bowl and pour sushi vinegar on the rice. A newly developed temperature sensor on the ASM 780 helps to offer uniform finished rice without being swayed by the condition of the cooked rice. Press the operation switch. Now just wait for it to finish. Press this emergency button in case of an emergency. The machine stops the operation immediately. Once operation is done, the machine transfers the mixed rice to the box automatically. Set a rice box in advance and transferring will be completed. The drum is light and releases quickly. It is also easy to clean as you can move the drum itself to the sink to clean. Newly developed resin without Teflon is used for the drum. Since there is no need of recoating, you can save running cost. Also, there is no need to worry about contamination by Teflon peeling. The wide opening makes adding rice easy. There are no consumables such as rubber packing. The rice and vinegar mixer ASM 780 adopts a new method of mixing rice using a cradle-like motion to mix evenly. It is also suitable for making Japanese-styled mixed rice by just adjusting mixing time.